During the day, you will travel on our comfortable escort boat, crewed by a captain, 2 boat boys, 2 cooks, and our guides. Our staff-to-guest ratio of nearly 1-to-1 are the highest in the adventure travel business. Each guide will paddle 2 passengers on each boat into the caves and hongs and around some of the stunning islands of Penguin Bay. Please do not try to help your guide by pushing the canoe away from the rocks, as they are sharp and may cut your fingers or hands. The canoe, however, will simply bounce off the cave walls. We will be using flashlights in the cave so that you will be able to look around. But please remember to shine the light so that the guides can see where they are going.
Keep your hands up on. Yes. Right.
When we enter the caves, keep all parts of your body inside the canoe, including hands, knees, and head. It is often necessary to lie down in the canoe while in the caves. Your guide will inform you when you need to lie down.